Hello student, welcome to my class of computer subject for class 12th. Today we are going to understand the structure of a network. Okay, as you can see in the figure student, here I have mentioned the structure that looks like a particular type of a web, okay, or structure. Okay, let's say understand it. What is that? So first of all we have to understand what is sender. In earlier video we have understand what is client and server, but in the term of sender and receiver, okay, anyone can be sender or receiver at a same time or a different time also. Okay, so here we are going to understand what is sender, a device or a computer that send the information data. Okay, for example, your mobile can be considered as sender and receiver both, okay, but at different time. Okay, for example, if you are going to call up a new person, that time it will be perform a sender and receiver both. Okay, this concept can be considered as a multiplex option also. Okay, now a receiver actually it is also a device or computer who receive the data or information. Okay, you can take example server and client. Server serves you information, resources, or share the data also. Okay, while your computer as a node or client can get the information from the server, but both are act as sender and receiver, okay, accordingly their purpose. For example, if you are connected with the network, okay, and you are going to search something, so you are definitely sending some information to server to get the information or result of that particular query string. Okay, that time your computer considered as a sender, and when server receive your query string, actually it want what you want to get it from the database, so that time server consider as receiver. And when the server get the information and it replies you in the form of response, that time server consider as sender. And when the response sent by the server to your computer and your computer receive the answer in the form of web page or the video or whatever content sent by the server, your computer consider as a receiver that time. So it means to say sender and receiver is a concept, okay, that can be interchangeably. Okay, now we are going to understand what we are going to send and receive. The answer is next one thing, message. Actually an information need to be broadcast, that is known as message. Okay, information that should be broadcast by the server, okay, or client also, that is termed as message. Now transmission medium student. So actually it is a physical path, okay, with the help of information goes from sender to receiver. So we are not mentioning here server to client or client to server, we are simply mentioning here sender to receiver. Okay, so transmission medium is a particular medium or path, we can say that. Okay, with the help of information, I am to say message goes from sender to receiver. You can see here in student a figure is shown here. Okay, inside this figure, here you can see that buildings are shown here as in the form of server because they are big in size. That's why they are formed on the form of some type of building shape boxes. Okay, here is wireless what thing, controller, because it is a network interface unit which allow us to connect sender and receiver. I am to say server and client. Network area storage, it is a network NAS, it is can say that network storage like cloud computing. Internet router, that provide the routes. I am to say when message will come, sometime it may be possible the traffic goes on a different channels, I am to say path. Okay, the router will decide in which path, by which path the message will go to, suppose that this one computer or this one telephone line, okay, understand, or this one particular PC. Okay, it is possible students, so number of the channels may be highly busy with high traffic, so that's why router are placed in this particular along with the internet connection that decide from which particular pathway it will go. Suppose that if you are asking for secure content, okay, like money transaction, you can see that firewall, okay, it is also a part of the network devices, that is firewall. It may be structure or the software also. Okay, so this will be goes with the help of firewall. Definitely always it will go with the firewall due to the security of the internet connection or internet server. Now core switch like bridge and hub, it is a switch which decide from which path the particular what thing information will goes. Okay, and now we are going to understand protocol. Okay, so it is a collection of rules and regulation transfer the information. Okay student, so every person, okay, whenever talk to another one person, they definitely talks in different languages, might be Hindi, English, or whatever the language. And languages are having the protocols. Okay, protocols means set of rules by which he or she will talk to other person. Okay, same way, if the computer are connected to each other through the particular wire or wireless network, they need to have the language. Okay, so protocol actually set of rules which decide how they will communicate and when they will communicate and how to securely they will communicate. Okay, so protocol, in other words, we can say that it is a set of rules. Okay,